crunches underneath my wheels. A country road where freedom feels real. The sun dips low, casting golden light, cutting through that green, a peaceful sight. Corn stalks swaying in the whispering breeze. The scent of hay, it drifts with ease. The fence rows stretch to the edge of time. This open road is purely mine. Oh, the countryside calls, it's where I belong. Rolling down this road where my heart is strong. Surrounded by fields stretched far and wide. There's nothing like a countryside ride. The barn's weathered boards tell stories untold. The farm dog runs, his spirit so bold. The creeks run clear, a mirror of the skies. The quiet sings better than lullabies.